training. In my village in China, I did talk to some descendants. They come over to North America, Canada. Anything is the end of it. Yeah, I met some of those descendants, and we had a very good conversations. And it caused a very difficult time in the family.
I can only imagine. Now, the Chinese workers contributed so much to the building of the railway and really to the creation of the country. How did the Canadian government treat them if they wanted to stay in Canada? That's pretty unforgiving territory. What was it like for them?
It's very harsh, very harsh. During the summer, it's very difficult. Black fly, poor nutrition, disease, and also communication problem. Actually, it's long hours. It's a very harsh working environment. In fact, the indigenous people were helping these Chinese pioneers a lot. Like in those days, the working environment was very difficult. Say if you fall or